Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's scroll down a little bit to find the display and brightness. Let's tap. Now let's scroll down in order to find the screen timeout. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some timeout options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short ones, and at the bottom the longest option, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use, and I will pick 5 minutes. So after tapping you will be able to see that it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.